So, you're thinking about budgeting? Good for you. But with countless apps out there, it's tough to know which one is the right fit. Today, we're diving into PocketGuard, a popular free budgeting app. Is it really as good as everyone says? Let's find out. The basics: what does PocketGuard do? At its core, PocketGuard is a simple yet effective budgeting app. It connects to your bank accounts and credit cards to automatically categorize your spending. This gives you a clear picture of where your money is going. The good: why people love PocketGuard. Automatic categorization: this is a huge time saver. No more manually categorizing transactions. Easy to understand insights: PocketGuard provides clear, concise insights into your spending habits. Savings goals: set savings goals and watch PocketGuard help you reach them. Bill reminders: never miss a payment again with built-in bill reminders. The downsides of the free version. While the free version of PocketGuard is great, it does have some limitations. Limited features: you won't have access to all the advanced features, like investment tracking and personalized financial advice. Ads: the free version is supported by ads, which can be annoying. Data privacy concerns: like any app that connects to your financial accounts, there are potential privacy concerns. Is PocketGuard free right for you? If you're looking for a simple, easy-to-use budgeting app to get a handle on your finances, PocketGuard Free is a great option. However, if you need more advanced features or want to avoid ads, you may want to consider upgrading to the premium version. Tips for maximizing PocketGuard. Connect all your accounts. The more accounts you connect, the better insights you'll get. Set realistic goals. Don't set goals that are too ambitious. Start small and gradually increase your savings. Review your insights regularly. Check your spending insights regularly to identify areas where you can cut back. Use the bill reminders. Set up bill reminders to avoid late fees and penalties. PocketGuard Free is a solid choice for those who want a simple, effective way to budget their money. While it may not have all the bells and whistles of a premium budgeting app, it's a great starting point for anyone looking to improve their financial health. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.